I saw something weird at a yard sale in the countryside of France. A foldable wooden frame with a mirror. I had no idea what it was, but I had a feeling it had something to do with photography. So I bought it for 20 euros and I took it home. After some research, I discovered that it was indeed related to photography. And what I bought was actually the ancestor of Photoshop. Retouching has been around almost as long as photography itself, but instead of taking place on a computer, as it does now, it originally took place on the negative, as photographers would draw or paint on top of it. The work took place on a retouching desk. The top part provides a shade to improve the negative view by avoiding undesirable direct light. The operating principle is to take advantage of sunlight. A mirror receives light from a window and illuminates the negative. The circular wooden frame allowed the user to change the angle of the negative. Different sizes of negatives can be mounted on the desk. Since a negative reverses the light and dark areas of an image, highlights on the photographs appear black on the negative, and vice versa. As wrinkles and other blemishes usually appear as lines or light spots on the negative, by darkening them it is possible to obtain an evening effect. For retouching, the classic material used to darken bright spots like freckles and wrinkles is the ordinary pencil. Using this simple technique, photographers started removing the imperfections laboriously by hand on their negatives, so that every print made from it would be satisfactory to the customer. Retouchers were extremely talented and could perform a wide variety of edits on the portraits, like reducing the waistline of a subject, removing skin folds, removing freckles, removing wrinkles, removing facial hairs, cleaning a bad skin, reshaping shoulders, creating new clothes, fixing eyes, and even opening closed eyes. It's very interesting when you observe old negatives to search for interventions that were probably made on retouching desks like this. I wanted to see if I could do the same kind of work, but as I don't want to ruin a glass plate negative, I will do the same process in Photoshop. That's one thing I love about photography. Sometimes you buy a weird vintage item and it opens a window into a huge universe of new things to learn.